Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. I want to say thank you to the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you to anyone who comes in to check out the knife, the EDC content, unboxings, you know, whatever. I'm glad you're here. If you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. I'm going to get into this package that came today that was sent to me by my brother and yours, Paul Mills, to check out. So we've got a couple of knives here. See if I can get into this with my handy dandy Amazon razor knife without cutting too far into it. Whoops. What do I got here? Let's see what we got here, guys. Ooh, all right. We've got some stuff to look at, guys. And these are knives that I'm not at all familiar with. However, I'm going to check them out on this unboxing. Then I'm going to check them out and do an actual review on them. Overview. Not really a review. Show and tell, we'll call it. This is a green thorn, guys. And something else. Gosh, Paul. Thank you, brother. Guys, again, this is just an unboxing, so I'm going to have to get some Ooh. I know what this is. Guys, this is an Elmax Shiro. I'm not sure which Shiro, but I will find out. God, I love that handle. I don't know if that's sculpted G10. With the G10 backspacer and a red G10 pivot collar. Elmax blade, wow. Holy smokes, that's a beautiful knife, guys. You know, Shiro, just off my head, has never really caught my attention as much as other knives. And for some reason, this particular rendition, and I know this is G10. Something about this is very sexy. Maybe it's the model Shiro that I'm not aware of. But that is a beautiful, beautiful knife. All right, that's one we're going to check out. Moving on. Thank you, Paul Mills. So this here. Ooh. Holy smokes. Guys, this is a green thorn, if I'm not mistaken. Which is a company that makes reinterpretations, we'll say. Just out of curiosity. Let's see what I'm looking at here. Because I, guys, as y'all know, until I talk to Paul, am an idiot. I think this is a Shiro reinterpretation copy. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm thinking. However, for whatever it's worth, this is an internal liner lock, K110, which is Bowler's D2. Glassy, glassy action. Very impressed. Titanium milling. And we'll get into these. But again, I don't want to keep y'all here for an unboxing too long. So we're going to keep going. to the orange cloth. So guys, this is a petrified fish. If I'm not mistaken, Paul may be donating this to the channel for a giveaway. I'm not sure. But this is the choil that Lefty was talking about. Because Lefty was talking about who does that square choil. And I bet you that's what he meant. That's a nice knife. That's a petrified fish. I will do a review on this, guys, just so you know. I love that kind of razory blade. I love the fact that it's got a hollow grind, which allows me to get in there, or a deep flat. It allows me to reverse finger flick it without thinking about it. And it's a top flipper. I'll find out which one that is. That's awesome, Paul. A petrified fish, straight razor looking knife. And let's see what we have here. Ooh. Guys, this is a littler Herman. Did you hear that? Listen. Do you hear that little ting? Holy smokes. Now this is my sized Herman. This is Magna Cut. I loved when I was looking at the Ishtar, the way they do the milling for that pocket clip. I don't know if you guys can see that, how it's flat down in there, but it's also milled down so it goes in and out of pocket like a dream. Amazing action. Beautiful back spacer. Proudly made in Poland. I think you guys can see that on the back spacer. Absolutely stunning. I think this may be a Sting. I will find out. I think this is a Herman Sting. It's a Herman something, but I think it's a Sting. Maybe it's a B. I'm not sure. And then we've got the petrified fish, which I will check with Brother Paul, but I think this may be a Friday Knife Flicks future knife after I review it and live on it and love on it. And then we've got this gorgeous G10 Shiro-ish. And I'll verify that that is what that is and which Shiro it is. And then, interestingly enough, I think, and I'm going to have to do some research, but I think I've heard about Green Thorn and what they're due. And this is not by any means a cheap reinterpretation. These are a little bit more costly, if I'm not mistaken. But the machining is impressive, to say the least. But anyways, guys, we got 4 knives to look through here. I'm really stoked. I want to say thank you to Paul Mills. I want to say thank you to you guys, because you guys make it fun to come out here and share this nice stuff with you. And people like Paul make it possible for me to share stuff like this with you guys. But I do appreciate it. I do love each and every one of you. And I do ask only, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.